Hello guys, this is Samruddhu from Lomos Archilabs, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to add doors and windows on curtain walls in Revit. Now placing doors and windows in curtain wall is a bit unusual than just placing doors and windows on regular walls. For regular walls, placing doors and windows is super easy where you just select them and place it on the wall with just one click. Whereas in curtain walls, firstly you'll have to choose the compatible doors and windows to the curtain system, and while placing them, we need to replace them with a curtain panel, and then we will be adjusting the curtain grid a bit based on the size of the doors or windows. Before I start this video, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's begin. First, I will open a new project to start with. Let's add walls and let's add a storefront wall. Once I've added a storefront wall, I will try adding a normal door and a window. I'll click on it and you will see Revit is not allowing me to add a normal door. Similarly, for the window, it is not allowing me to add a window as well. Let's go to the 3D and try a different approach. Now you can see a storefront is a combination of mullions and glass panels. To add a door or a window, we need to replace a glass panel with a door, which is compatible to a curtain system. So first, let's select the glass panel. To select a glass panel, you can just hover your mouse along any of the nearest mullion and start hitting tab until and unless it selects the glass panel. So this selected this glass panel. I will click on this and you can see that the glass panel is pinned. Click on it to unpin it. As we unpin it, if we go to the properties, you can see new properties has been unlocked. System panel, and it shows glazed and solid. Now let's add curtain doors. To do that, let's go to insert, click on load family. I'll go to my libraries and let's look for doors. So yeah, doors is here. I'll double click on it and you can see I have 3 different curtain doors. I will choose a double door and a single door and we'll see how we can add them. Click on open and it's loaded. Now let's select the glass and go to the properties. As we go to the properties, you will see the 2 doors are loaded here. First, let's try adding a single glass. I'll click on it and it's loaded, but it doesn't show any change because in detail level we are in medium. Click on it and make sure you're in fine and you can see the handle. Although we have added the door, there is a bottom mullion which should not be here. Click on it and you will see it is pinned again. Unpin it and remove it. Now I want to adjust the distance of the opening. To do that, go to your level 1 and select the grid along this mullion. As we do that, you can see a certain distance. To adjust the distance, first we need to unpin it and then we can adjust the distance. Let's go back to the 3D and we can see a single panel door has been added. Although there is a little non-uniformity on this side of the mullion adjustments, but we can adjust them by going to the type parameters. Now let's see how we can add a double door. So I want to add a double door and I want either of my panels to be one on this side and on this side. So first, let's go to the plan. Let's adjust the distance first. So I will click on this and I will unpin it first and I will just adjust the distance. Similarly, for this mullion as well. Now let's go back to the 3D. Okay, so now this looks fine, but I need to remove this curtain, this mullion from the middle. So to do that, hover your mouse around it and press tab until you get the curtain grid. Select the curtain grid, and on top you will have option of adding or removing segments. Click on it and just click on the grid here. Revit will automatically remove the curtain grid, and this glass panel will become one single panel. Select it and unpin it. And we can remove this mullions now itself. So I will unpin them and delete them, and I'll do the same for this as well. Now let's select the glass panel and let's go and add the double door. As I add my double door, it looks fine. So now let's go to the plan, and you can see the projection. You can adjust the opening using the flip instances. Now let's see how we can add a window. To add a window, let's add a partition on this wall. To add that, we will go to architecture and we'll go to curtain grid. Click on curtain grid and let's select one segment. As I selected, Revit is allowing me to create a segment in between. I will click on it and a mullion will be added here. You can see a mullion is added here. Now that I've created the partition, I will just select the glass panel in between and I will replace it with a window. So let's repeat the same process. I will press tab and select the glass panel. Yeah, and I will unpin it. Now let's go to insert and load a window family which is compatible to the curtain wall system. I'll go to my libraries and let's go to Windows. Here we have the first option, that is curtain wall awning. I'll load it. Now let's select the glass panel one more time and let's go to the properties. You can see my awning window has been added here. I'll click on it and it is added. Let's go to the floor plan. As you can see in my floor plan, the window has been added. If you want to change the panel size, position of the panel, just flip it on this side and it will change. So that was about adding doors and windows to curtain wall. I hope you have liked this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment below to let us know your thoughts on the video. Also comment your suggestion for the upcoming videos and do follow us on Instagram for more tips and tricks.